to our channel Knowledge Flux. This is Mugdha Goswami and today's topic is tenses. Now, before moving ahead, I would like to tell you that if anybody wishes to learn the basic level tenses, this is the video for you. So without further delay, what are tenses? Tenses are nothing but what represent time. Alright, there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, any activity that tells us about the present event is called as present tense. Past tense, any activity, any action that took place in the past is called as past tense. Future tense, any action that will take place in the future is called as future tense. Alright, there are four subtypes of present, past and future tenses respectively. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. And simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So we are going to start one by one, swiftly launching to present tense. As I said, present tense is any action that takes place in the present. So for the simple present tense, I am going to choose the same example for every tense. So let me write it down. The main sentence that I am going to choose: I eat a mango. Alright. Okay, this is the sentence that I am going to choose, and this is the sentence that we will be transforming into other tenses. Now, simple present tense: I eat a mango. Okay, let's focus on these words. I is the subject here, eat is the V1 form here, a mango is the object here. What are V1, V2 and V3 forms? So eat, ate and eaten. This is the first form, second verb form and third word form. This indicates present tense, this indicates past tense and this indicates perfect tense. Please future tense for bolna. Perfect tense. Alright. I eat a mango. Subject plus V1 plus object. That is the formation for simple present tense. If you want to take few more examples, let's go ahead. She writes a letter. She is the subject, writes is the V1 where we have added S. A letter is the object. Subject plus V1 plus object. Please note that here we have taken the plural form of the V1 verb because this pronoun takes a plural form of the verb. I eats nahi hota or she write a letter nahi hota. I eat a mango, she writes a letter. Alright, moving ahead with present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. I'm going to change the same sentence in every tense. So please pay attention. I am eating a mango. Please note, whenever you see this word continuous here, you have to assume that they have added ing here. Whenever they talk about continuous, they talk about ing. Whenever they talk about continuous, they talk about ing. Note it down. Alright, I am eating a mango. Subject plus helping verb plus V1 plus ing plus object. So the main thing that you guys have to remember here is the verb am eating. Helping verb plus V1 plus ing. Everyone should be well aware of the fact that I takes only am as the helping verb. I will always take am as the helping verb while talking about the while talking about the present continuous tense or simple present tense. Alright, let's take another example. She is writing a letter, or they are sleeping. Full stop. Alright, so here the helping verb that we chose is, and here is are. She is, they, plural form, are, followed. So subject plus helping verb plus main verb V1 plus ing plus object. Same goes with this sentence as well. Moving ahead with the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. As I said कि continuous में ing आँख बंद करके लिख लेना, वैसे ही perfect में third form use करना आँख बंद करके. So we are going to change this sentence. I have, what is the third form of eat? Eaten. Eaten a mango. Now in perfect tense we use two helping verbs, that is has and have, or have, I mean has or have. I will always take a plural form of helping verb. This is singular and this is plural. ये rule ही है कि she will take has and I will take have, and they being plural will always take have. Let's see. Subject plus helping verb, that is have, plus V3 form plus object. This will make your sentence into present perfect tense. Let's take another example. She has written a letter. She has written a letter. So subject has we are going to take because she is singular. V3 form write, wrote and written. A letter is going to be our object. Please note that I is the only pronoun, I is the only subject here which always takes plural form of the helping verb, that is have. Alright, she has written a letter. I have eaten a mango. Let's talk about past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous. Sounds really big, no, but it is really easy. Past perfect continuous tense. Sounds really big. Perfect and continuous together. Let's make it easy. I have been eating a mango. Alright, pay attention. Now in this, we have to focus on been. इसको बक्से में बंद करके रखने का. Been. So subject plus helping verb, present tense का helping verb, because we have added present here, which is why we are adding HV. Let's talk about continuous. Continuous है तो main verb को ing लगाना है, eating, and object. Now you must be wondering, where did this been come from? Let's compare the left hand side as well as the right hand side, just like we do in mathematics. LHS is equal to RHS. So let's compare. Present have, has or have use करते हैं, but मैंने बताया कि I is the only pronoun that will always take the plural form. So present के लिए have है, continuous के लिए eating है, तो perfect में भी कुछ ना कुछ मांगा खुद के लिए. So perfect में बोला मुझे been दे दो, which is why been आ गया. I have been eating a mango. Whenever you feel कि past perfect continuous है या present perfect continuous है, बहुत सारी चीजें साथ में आई हैं, been लगा देने का, आँख बंद करके. So the next sentence will be, she has been writing a हैज बिकॉज शी आया है, बीन बिकॉज परफेक्ट एक्सप्रेस करता है, राइटिंग बिकॉज कंटिन्यूअस एक्सप्रेस करता है. LHS is equal to RHS. So before stopping the present tense here, I am going to again tell you, I eat a mango, I am eating a mango, present continuous tense. I have eaten a mango, present perfect tense. I have been eating a mango, present perfect continuous tense. Part 2 of this video will be about the past tense. So please stay tuned.